Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today in your 5th standard, your chapter 4 from chapter ratio and information is the. Dear students, today we are discussing about only preparation. In your previous class, learn about only ratio, the types of ratio, equivalent of ratios, and also simplest form of ratios are over. Today only I discuss about only preparation. Dear students, you know what is the meaning of preparation? The meaning of preparation means the equality of ratios. For example, A ratio B. This is one ratio is the. But meaning of preparation. The meaning of preparation means the equality of two ratios is called preparation. But this is A ratio B is one ratio is the, and also C ratio D is also here. These two ratios are equality. These two equality is called that is preparation. Got it? The equality of two ratios is called preparation, and also the meaning of preparation, and also the symbol of preparation. The symbol of preparation, this is symbol of preparation. You can use this symbol in the two ratios. Therefore, these two are two ratios in the preparations. For example, consider this is standard for A ratio B preparations, C ratio B, or otherwise A ratio B double ratio, C ratio B also here. Okay, in the preparations, the things are two ratios are here, and also four terms are here. Four terms are first term is A, first one term. Second term is B. Third term is C. Next fourth term is D. Okay, you can study about the preparations. The preparation symbol is just like this, and also meaning is equal to two ratios. How to simplification of preparation? How to simplification of preparations? And also you can write first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Our proportional meaning is what? The product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extreme. The first one is the extreme terms. Extreme terms, and also mean terms. Extremes and means. What are the means and extremes? Mean terms and extremes. Consider in the preparations. A ratio B double ratio C ratio B is the. What are the extreme terms? The extreme term means outside the ratio. Outside. A is outside and D is outside. These two product of these two numbers. That is extreme terms. Extremes are A and D. And means are. What are the mean terms? Mean terms means B and C are mean. B and C are means. Our condition is in the preparation condition is therefore the product of extreme is equal to extremes is equal to product of means. This is one of the standard condition in preparation. Got it? Therefore, product of extreme terms is equal to product of in terms. Consider one example in your preparation. You can choose any one. Check whether the following numbers are in preparation. First A1 is 4, 5, 20 and 25, and B 6, 5, 18 and 20. Okay, listen here. The question is, check whether the following numbers are preparation. You write your preparation standard form. Our standard form is here. The solution of first one is very easy. Listen here carefully. Preparation. Question is if the preparation is there. Okay. Our standard form of preparation is what? A ratio B double ratio C ratio D is the. This is our standard form for preparations. Next, we can substitute the values. 4 terms are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. A value is considered 4, B value considered 5, C value considered 20, and D value is considered 25. Write this like same as it is. A means 4 ratio, 5 double ratio, C means 20 ratio, 25. Our condition is, our preparation condition is the product of extreme is equal to product of means. Okay, therefore product of extreme is equal to product of means. Therefore, what is the product of extreme and product of means? The first product extreme means 4 into 25. Consider A into D. Therefore, A into D is equal to the means B into C. Therefore, put the value. A means only 4 is the 4 into D is 25 is the 25 is equal to. Again, B value is 5 is the next C value is 20. Therefore, simplification. 25 4s are 100 is the is equal to 5 2s are 1 0 is 100 is the. Therefore, LHS to RHS, our condition is the product of extreme is equal to product of means. This is also 100. This also 100 is the. This is your preparation examples. And also second one example is the check question once again. That is also very easy. Find the check your preparation. Again same as it is. The ratio is A ratio, B double ratio, C ratio, D is the. Again put the value. A value is 6 ratio, 5 double ratio, 18 ratio, 20. Got it? Next simplification. Again our condition of preparations. Therefore, the product of extreme is equal to product of extreme is equal to product of means is equal to product of extreme is what? The outside 6 into 20 or otherwise A into D. A into D is equal to B into C. A is 6, D is 20 is equal to B is 5 and C is 18 is the next. Therefore, multiplications. The yields to product multiplication 6 2s are 12, 120 is the is equal to next 18 5s are 5 8s are 40, 0 is the carry 4. Next 5 also 5, remaining 4 is the that is 90. Therefore, these two are 24. Therefore 6, 5, 18 and 20 are not the preparation. Okay. But second examples, these all 4 numbers are not in the preparations. Our condition is the product of extreme is equal to product of means. But in this question, the product of extreme is not equal to product of means. Got it? Okay. Next one examples. Okay, next question, third one. Third question is the ratio of red beads to yellow beads. The ratio is 5:9 is the. If the number of red beads is 35, find the number of yellow beads. Okay, first of all you can write in your ratio. Therefore, consider in your preparations the equality of two ratio is the proportion is there, but one ratio is given. 5:9 is given, but which ratio? Red and yellow beads. Red ratio and yellow bead what? 5:9. But red ratio, the number of red beads is given. Red beads is given, that is 35. But number of yellow beads is not given. Consider therefore number of yellow beads, consider x. Yellow beads is equal to x. Consider therefore write your proportion. Proportion is what? Therefore 5:9 double ratio. This is red ratio, yellow ratio. Red ratio is given, that is 35 beads. Next yellow beads means consider x. Now you can say the product of extreme is equal to product of beads. Therefore product of extreme is what? 5 into x. Therefore next 5 into x is equal to product of means. The product of means means 9 into 35. You want x. You want x, therefore x is equal to 9 into 35 divides 5. Next simplification. Therefore x is equal to cancellation. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. Next therefore x is equal to 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. Therefore number of yellow beads is equal to 63. This is the answer. In the fourth example also same as it is, considering the preparations. In the given question, the first term and the third term and fourth terms is given. In the question, first term is given but second term is not given. Third term is given and fourth term is given. You can find out the second term. Consider therefore solutions. Write in your preparation respectively. Our preparation is what? A ratio, B double ratio, C ratio. D is the, consider first term is respectively 5 is the. A term is 5. Consider B. B means second term. Second term is not given. Consider that is x. Consider the second term is x. Next one, third term. Third term is 55 is the 55. Again fourth term is 88 is the. Next you can find out the second term. Therefore again in your preparations, the product of extreme is equal to product of means. Therefore solution, product of extreme is equal to 5 into 88 is equal to again product of means x into 55. Next simplification, if you want x value, therefore 5 into 88 divides, you can take 55 into this side, 55 is equal to x. Next simplification, 5 ones are 5, 5 11s are. Again 11 ones are 11, 11 8s are. Therefore x is equal to 8. Only 8 is. X value is 8. Therefore our second term is equal to only 8. Second term is only 8 is the. Okay dear students, in your preparations only the product of extreme is equal to product of mean is the. You can practice in your homework. More example in your textbook is here. Practice in your homework. Only preparations. I shall continue in your next class.